chasing dreams. Yeah, break away, leave worries behind. I'll reclaim the fire inside, staring at the golden sunrise.
Okay, in today's math class on our digital math tutor classroom, we want to solve this. So this is an algebraic equation. You are having this question here. Solve for x if 4x minus 12 equals 16x minus 36. How do we do this? So we're going to pay attention to this and be able to see what exactly we need to do. So let me pick my pencil and start on this. I take my ink. So my pencil is ready. So what do? Now when you look at this, you're having 4x minus 12 equals 16x minus 36. This is an equation. For math students, you need to understand the difference between expression and equation. Anytime you see something that has to do with this equal to that, is simply an equation. But if you have a situation where they say, okay, 4x minus 12 minus b minus all those stuff, and there's no equality, it's just a simple expression, an algebraic expression. But what you're seeing here now is an equation because of that equality sign. And now this equation contains some variables. So the values are not, you can't easily tell us what this is all about. That's why the question says solve for x. X is a variable. Once you are seeing a mixture of real numbers and variables, you must look for the real value of that variable. And that's what it's all about. So our concern now is to find the value of x. But we have x in two places. The first place you have it, the coefficient of that x is 4. And that place you have it, the other side of the equality sign, the coefficient is 16. So what do we do to bring these things together so that we can look for x? So look at what we'll do. We'll start here. You are going to collect like terms. Now when you say 4x, now this 16x must definitely go to the other side to be closer to what looks like it. So 4x and 16x should be one place since they bear the same variable x. Now, but if you look at 16x, already 4x you have placed it here. If you look at this 16x, it's on the other side of the equality sign. But you want to bring it on this other side of the equality sign, that's the left side, while it's on the right side. And for you to do that, the sign must change. If you look at this 16x, it's in the positive, that's plus 16x. So when it goes to over the other side of the equality sign, it must become minus 16x. That's why equation is very important for teachers to teach very well. Once something crosses over to the other side of the equality sign, it doesn't matter where it crosses, whether from the right to left or left to right, the sign it has must change. That is very simple principle. Now, that is to say 4x minus 16x equal to, we now have, remember I'm already on the side of 16x, so there's no need me going back on this 4x. I will now say it's equal to minus 36. That's what is here, minus 36. Now I want to bring this minus 12 to the other side. Now, this minus 12 will cross over to the other side of the equality. As you can see, equality sign has already divided. She's going over to the other side. And because it's minus 12, moving over to the other side of the equality sign is going to be plus 12. You understand? And now this simply implies, very simple, 4x minus 16x is just like saying minus 16 plus 4. Any case, it's just like, for in a simplified way, 4x plus 4x minus 16x. Just somebody asking you, add 4, remove 16. If you add 4 to anything and remove 16 from that thing, it's just like as if you just added 12. That's what it is. So 4x minus 16, okay, it be like as if you just remove 12. So when you say 4x minus 16, it's simply minus 12. Follow this channel because we're going to teach primarily on plus and minus rules when it concerns multiplications, additions, subtractions, and division. We need to learn this. So in this channel, we do a lot about this, and I'm going to teach that particular topic very well so that you have this rule and understand it. As a parent, as a student, as a learner, as a pupil, you need to know what you do when it comes to this. So in this case, 4x minus 16 is minus 12. So minus 12 is equal to, then minus 36 plus 12. You minus 36, you add 12, the answer is minus 24. So this is equal to minus 24. Remember, this is x. Sorry, here this is minus 12x equals minus 24. So if minus 12x is equal to minus 24, the two sides have the same sign, that's minus minus, and that already cancels each other. It simply means that x will be equal to minus 24 all over minus 12. This cancels this. 12 go here 1, go here 2. So x equals 2. So the value of x in this is 2. And if you want to test your answer, can we test that? So x is 2. Let's just check now. If x is 2, 4x should be 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 minus 12 will give us minus 4. Now let's see if it's the same thing with this side. Now 16x will be 16 times 2, which is 32. 32 minus 36 will still give us minus 4. Can you see? So the two sides of the equality sign are correct. This side is minus 4, and this other side is what? Minus 4, meaning that our answer of x being 2 is correct. So that's exactly how we work on this algebraic equation. Go through this video once, and if you are confused, go through it over and over. You master exactly what we have just said here and how we arrive at this final answer. But if you have a question, don't forget to use the comment box. Very important. Like this video and don't forget to share it. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel because we are going to give you more and more of stuff like this. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.